My fourth technology is Kahoot. This is intended for students, and I use it to review content and concepts and then prepare for a test. My kids also use it. They like to create their own quizzes to kind of show what they've learned, and then we get to do them as a class. Here are my standards. Students use technology to seek feedback that informs and improves their practice to demonstrate their learning. Then students articulate a set of personal learning goals to develop strategies using technology to achieve them, and then reflect on the learning process. So here's Kahoot. You can sign in. You can use Google. This is an account I created quite a while ago. The thing I really like about it is you can search quizzes that other people have done. And so if you don't have time or you need just a quick 10-15 minute thing to do, you can go on and search the collection and find something that'll work really quick for your students. So here's some of the things you can do. And then what I also like about it is you can add things to your favorites. So you can do the same quizzes if you have a couple different classes that you're teaching the same concept or skill. Then you can also create a new Kahoot. There's a couple new things. I haven't done the jumble yet. I mostly do the quiz or a survey. It's really easy to set up. You just type in the title, Summer of the Monkeys is the novel that we're currently reading right now. You can change this to visible to everyone or just yourself and then your audience. And then you click go. Oops, select your audience. I don't tend to add the images and everything. I just like to keep it really simple and make it really easy. You can set a time limit, which I really like, questions, and then the different answers, and you click next until you get to the end of your question set. And then you have a game that students can play. So here are a couple games that I've already created. The thing I like about it too is it shows you what the answers are, so you can use these same quizzes over and over again. I don't like that there's not really a way you can edit it. You can add questions. So I do really like that feature. And then you click play. I always do the player by player. The kids join it, and then you click start when everybody has joined. So they just go to kahoot.it and then they enter in this code, and it automatically puts them in the game. They don't have to log in, they don't have to register, they don't have to do anything. So it's really, really easy for the kids. Obviously I can't show you what the game's like because I don't have any players right now, but it's really good and it's a really easy review game for the kids.